about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
1, 2, 3.
Boom, we're here. Part 2.
What's up? Episode 2.
Again.
Comfies. Refilming it. Why?
We messed up the video format.
So we filmed for like
2 days. 2 days worth of filming.
2 days worth of filming, and then we realized that it was in the wrong format, and my teeth looked really gritty and gross. So this is us doing episode 2 right now in 4K. If you're not watching it in 4K on YouTube, change the settings though.
Crisp.
We just got done with a workout, and we worked out in the rain, so if we're looking disheveled and gross, that's why. Today we're actually fully prepared. We have the lid for our food processor. We even have our parchment paper.
With the correct tray.
We have the correct tray. We have all of our ingredients laid out.
This is the most prepared we've ever been.
Most prepared. Oh, and also, I had a friend message me and tell me that her mom has cancer, and she wanted to know if there was any like natural and healthy desserts that I knew how to make, and I was like, oh my gosh, come and watch Cooking in the Comfies because we're doing this dessert tonight, and it's gonna be a chocolatey, coconutty, peanut buttery cookie bar, because we have the right shape now.
Oh yeah, it's not pie this time.
If you know anybody who is suffering from cancer or family has anybody with cancer, I just recently had 2 aunts pass away from cancer, so my heart goes out to you, and if this can help somebody in any way, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Reach out, say hey to people if you don't know them, and like you don't know what's going on in their life, so if this can help them, I love that. So
let's get into it.
let's get cooking. The recipe's on my phone like before, but Luke texted it to me this time. So for the cookie base, we have coconut oil on this side, we have maple syrup on top, we have almond flour and coconut flour for the cookie base, and some pink Himalayan salt because it's pink and it's cute. And then for the coconutty layer in the middle, we're gonna do, this is unsweetened coconut. It's just like shredded coconut. And then we have almond butter. We just had to run to the store really fast because we forgot the almond butter.
10-minute Publix run.
Yeah, because I live like right there. But anyways, we have pitted dates this time. I don't have to pit them. And then we need water, vanilla extract, and some salt and dark chocolate.
The dark chocolate.
Yes, yum. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cookie base. Behind you guys is like my windows in my dining room, and there was these people walking past, and right beside the camera we have these big lights. So they're probably just like looking at us like, what in the heck are they doing?
Grunt bunch of crazy people. I got the measurements.
Oh yes, we forgot our measuring cups. I told you we weren't really prepared.
Yeah. It's probably gonna taste better.
Magnifico, yeah. Okay. Jinx. Boop, 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 boop. So I thought it was cute to put almonds in the almond flour so I could tell them apart, if that's a good little tip for you. Anyways, coconut flour is 1/4 of a cup.
Okay. 1/4 coming right up.
Eyeballing it.
Whatever. It's in there.
Okay, now we need almond flour. 1 cup of almond flour.
1 cup of almond flour.
I'm just dancing over here.
Oh, chili over there? Oh my gosh, are we gonna have enough?
Plenty. 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, yeah, you do that.
This is...
Getting a little bit in there.
Okay, that's good enough.
We don't
really need measurements.
Salty.
Okay, now we do 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil. I will melt the coconut oil.
Okay. So 2 tablespoons.
Oh my god!
2 tablespoons of.
I can never open things.
Do you need assistance?
I got it. 2 tablespoons. 1/3 of a cup. Ding! Coming right up.
We're gonna get into that. That might be some TMI information that comes out.
Whoa. Is this 1/3 of a cup? Yep. Bam.
Boom. We need something to stir. Go, 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 go.
You want to get in
I'm
there?
joking.
Get in there. Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
God, they were so lame dancing with no music.
I know.
God, there's people! Is that girl riding a bike for the first time?
First time. Go, girl, go. Oh my gosh, her dad's holding on to her. She's doing so good.
Oh my
I hope
God.
they can't hear me.
I hope they can't hear us.
Oh,
shoot.
They totally see us. I made eye contact.
Me too.
Okay, back to this. Neighbor drama.
God.
Oh, what are we doing?
Ow.
Oh, I just hit you. Sorry.
That was my shin.
My bad. Oh my God, there's so many people right there. I feel so awkward. Can you hide that cord? That's really gross.
Why was it like that?
It was like that for a long minute.
The entire time up until this point.
We are never aware of our surroundings. Oh well, it's gonna be in the video. I'm just gonna leave it in there. Sorry about that.
Honestly?
Take the cord out. Are you just playing with it?
Yeah, are we ready?
Yeah. I know what I'm doing now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Doesn't quite seem like it. Do I need to take over?
No, I'm the captain here.
No, you're not the captain here.
Captain Kaylee.
There's no...
Oh! Cooking with Captain Kaylee!
Does,
Did
your,
I just make my own hashtag?
does your name start with a C?
It can.
So looking back at this now, that was definitely not a good hashtag. Anyways, the camera didn't get us putting the cookie dough in the tin, so we just put coconut oil in the tin, lined it with parchment paper, and pushed with our fingers all of the cookie dough down to make it a flat base. Baked it in the oven at 350 for 13 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so the cookie base is in the oven right now, and we just soaked our dates for 10 minutes, so we're gonna strain them and then we're gonna chuck them in the food processor.
So how much of the dates?
Oh,
1 cup?
yes. So
Okay,
it
so
was
1 cup and a date. So I'm gonna pour that in real quick. Okay, 1 cup of dates.
1 cup of dates. We need 1.5 cups of unsweetened coconuts. What fun is no mess? There you go.
We gotta have a little bit of carrot down here. Okay, coconut done.
Ooh. Ah. I love looking at peanut butter. Or almond butter. Almond butter is better than peanut butter. That's going in. Vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yeah. And we do 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Wait.
Water is 1/4 to 1/3 cup of water.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna pulse. Ready?
That is the bread.
Oh, the base is done.
Push it real good. Push it. Push it. Push it real good.
Okay, yeah.
That's good.
Good enough. We just got our base. It's baked right now, so this is the cookie base. And we're just gonna... Wow, Alexa's trying to get me copyrighted.
Going on that?
Okay.
Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, it's kind of heavy. Thanks. Oh. I'm just gonna do it in like dollops.
Yeah, spread it out later.
Oh my gosh, Alexa!
Alexa, stop!
Shh, my house, this is proof I have a ghost. It keeps on turning Alexa on. Slap that cookie bar. Done. Now we're gonna pop this in the freezer overnight.
We'll dip it in the chocolate.
Yeah.
Probably tomorrow at lunch.
Leave it in the freezer overnight if you go on to bed, and you can cook this for tomorrow or something, or just leave it in the freezer for a couple of hours probably. Alright, so it's the next day. Our cookie bars have been in the freezer overnight, so I'm just gonna pull them out right now. Show you guys.
Whoa.
Show you guys how it turned out. So I'm just gonna take them out of here and then place them on this, cut them, and then we'll do the chocolate.
Oh yeah, that's so
That
much
was
easier.
so much easier.
What are you doing? Huh? Do we need to do parchment paper? I have washed my hands, just to let you know.
Yes.
Look at this.
Wow.
Brick.
Look at that.
It's a brick this time.
It's a brick.
Ah.
Ooh.
You need a man to cut that?
Are you gonna mess it up?
There's a high probability. Let's do it. Okay.
It needs a woman to do it.
You sure?
Why you gotta show him that? So now we're gonna melt our chocolate. Just melted the chocolate and now I'm just gonna like...
Drizzle that puppy.
Ooh, ah. Ooh.
That's exciting.
Ooh! Can I lick that?
Which one?
The fork? Probably not. It's not good for me. I can't lick the chocolate. I had too much chocolate the other night and I couldn't go to sleep.
Chocolate make you go
Bye
sicko.
bye. Shoo! Okay. Alright, let's try one of the broken pieces. Okay.
Okay.
Going in for the kill.
Way better with thumb.
Mmm. Mmm.
Way better. Mmm.
Mmm. That's actually good. How many times do we say mmm? Mmm. That's right. Alright. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, maybe give us another dessert that we can make for our episode 3 of Cooking in the Comfies.
Which is probably gonna happen sooner than later because we actually enjoy doing this.
Yeah, I love making these videos. So, if you guys learned anything or you can take anything back with you from cooking with us, then that's awesome. We would love that. So, I don't know. Go have a great day and go influence somebody's life. Bye!
See ya!